get really good at doing these parts by the end of this. Oh.
He wants us to do the body shit first. Okay. Just to get. We're supposed to pick a bed.
Yeah, for sure. I wish when we were unloading this stuff yesterday, I didn't put too much on it, so I wish we'd have taken all those moving fires straight from there.
Well, I didn't.
I would only assume so because of how we do it. Traditionally, we do how we do it without tires, but I think this would be awesome to put up in the front room for sale just as they are.
Let me look at the list and see what
If I have to
But anybody doubt it? Do anybody got it?